Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Japanese language skills with FluentU step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on FluentU's website. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Select your preferred language level so FluentU can tailor content to your needs. Browse through the extensive library of videos, which includes anime, dramas, and educational clips. Pick a video that interests you but is also appropriate for your skill level. Before watching, check the vocab list associated with the video to prepare for new words. Play the video while keeping the interactive subtitles turned on. As you watch, click on any word or phrase for instant definitions and example sentences. Take notes on unfamiliar vocabulary and phrases for later review. After watching, revisit the vocabulary list to reinforce your understanding. Utilize the quiz feature to test your knowledge of the vocabulary learned. Practice speaking by repeating lines from the video out loud to improve pronunciation. Engage with FluentU's personalized quizzes to track your progress over time. Regularly set aside time each week to watch new content and review old vocabulary. Incorporate FluentU into your daily routine to maximize language exposure. Consider joining community forums to discuss content and connect with other learners. By following these steps consistently, you'll see significant improvement in your Japanese language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.